Okay guys, as you can see, I was working out earlier, washing Onyx, stuff like that, but I'm about to go to my friend's birthday party at the river. I'm not gonna vlog much because it's his birthday, and unless he wants me to vlog, I'm not gonna vlog that much. But I will show y'all just us vibing, I guess, because why not, you know? But yeah, I don't know when we're gonna leave. You know, I run on Black people time, so I'm not gonna get there as soon as it starts, you know. I'm gonna wait a little bit until, you know. But yeah, I will hit you guys when I'm in the car.
I'm up. No, bring one shot. I slept in the dark when she was lonely. They were silent.
Scared to be an adult, y'all, because if I gotta do this shit on my own all the time, I'm gonna not like nobody. I'm gonna be like, I gotta go through my life by myself. I got this, nigga. My friend was like, oh, you need help, you know, walking to the car, you know, that's just a gentleman and my friends, you know, but I got this. I gotta learn now, because if I don't learn now, when I become an adult, that shit gonna be scary. I need to face my damn fears. Gotta face it like a man. looking like an old lady. I'm dressed like an old lady, bruh. This is a top that I thrifted. Okay, we're on the street now. I can let go, like a let go. This fit ate today, not gonna lie to you. Hopefully I got some pictures so I can like post them, you know, but
Like gold too. That shit look crazy. And she got a little fucking soul in place. It's like, what you